This Dalton Wade Real Estate Group property video is presented by Robert Demarest. Tara Cay, End Unit and Waterfront. Enjoy easy waterfront living in highly desirable Tara Cay community. This unit has it all. It's an end unit, facing the water, a new seawall is currently being installed, spacious and bright rooms on all levels, and there's a full bath on every floor. The first floor features an oversized one-car garage with epoxy finished floor and tons of storage. You'll also find a private first floor bonus room with full bath, could easily be used as an in-law suite, teen suite or amazing man cave. This ground level area leads out to an open deck and to the soon-to-be completed seawall, funded and near completion. Fishing, paddleboarding, kayaking are just steps away. You can even park your boat for up to 48 hours at a time. Second floor has a nice and spacious kitchen, dining area and living room, with a screened-in deck overlooking the Intracoastal Waterway. There's beautiful hardwood flooring throughout the kitchen, living room and dining area. Kitchen has been updated with Corian counters, mosaic tile backsplash, solid wood cabinetry and stainless steel appliances. There's a full bath and bedroom on the second floor as well. The third floor has a large bedroom, laundry area and master suite. Master features 2 walk-in closets, vaulted ceilings, updated bath with shower/tub and dual sinks and a screened-in deck with west-facing views to take in the amazing sunsets. This amazing home is zoned for Oakhurst Elementary and Seminole Middle and Seminole High School. The unit has an extra wide driveway, and guest parking spots are located right in front of the building. There's a built-in chair lift for easy access up to second floor living area. All appliances convey, to include washer and dryer. This pet-friendly waterfront community offers owners a lot of bang for the buck. Rarely does an end unit on the water